Hi everyone. After installing the GDPR Compliance, you may want to check the proper apps work, not on the real tickets or contacts. In this video, we'll show you how to do it, so just continue watching. The first step to start processing data is to set up preference presets. To do so, go to the Settings page and Process Preferences. At the top of the page, select the needed process type: deletion, anonymization, or retrieve. We start with anonymization. You can create a new preset or edit the default preferences by clicking on it. Select which data you want to remove during ticket and user anonymization and save it. To initiate the process, select the specific ticket or create a separate one for such goals. Go to the Apps section on the sidebar and find the GDPR Compliance app. You can process the user or ticket data. Let's start with the user. In a new modal window, choose the necessary process, give it a name, and select the preference preset. Then click Proceed with selected users. Start the process and confirm. When it's completed, click on the customer's ID number and you'll see the profile with an anonymized GDPR username. Do the same thing to anonymize the ticket, but choose Process the ticket. After it's done, you can use the unique tag to find the handled ticket. Also, you can anonymize data for lists. Let's check the app's work for user lists. First, we created a list with 2 users. Then we launched the anonymization process. After the end, click on the tag to see the anonymized customers. Deleting is simpler. Just select a user, ticket, or list. Start the process. Then go to the GDPR Requests tab and click the preview. If data is deleted, you will see no results there. There's no need to create separate tickets or users to check the retrieval process. Just select the one to retrieve and download the CSV file. Note that the retrieval process is unavailable for lists. This is the end of our video. However, we suggest watching our other videos about GDPR compliance to understand the app workflow fully. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit GrowthDot.com to learn more about our apps.